Hi, this is Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We're back with Pattern of the Week. A very humid day today. Getting difficult with me. Bubbles everywhere. Let's go take a look. This is another imported film from the UK. This is from Graphics. It's their gold carbon fiber. It is 1 meter. I'm sure you guys can't see anything on that white base. That's why we're printing it to black today. I've never dipped this pattern before. I guess this is, a lot of people say this is one of the most realistic, real looking carbon fibers out there. And it's good because you don't have to tint, you're clear. It looks very real and you don't have to give it that black candy tint. I'm interested to see what it looks like. That is the UK Graphics gold carbon fiber, 1 meter wide on black base there. Very subtle. That would look really nice. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next week.